Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Etrade detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Etrade, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Etrade website URL www.etrade.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the login button. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see fields for your user ID and password. Enter your registered user ID in the first field. Ensure there are no typing errors in your user ID. Next, move to the password field. Input your corresponding password carefully. If you want the system to remember your user ID, check the Remember My User ID box. Be cautious when using this feature on public or shared devices. Once you have filled in both fields, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as your credentials are verified. If your login details are correct, you will be taken to your Etrade account dashboard. If you encounter issues, check for any error messages. Double-check your user ID and password for accuracy. If you forget your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your credentials. After logging in successfully, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Now you're ready to start managing your investments on Etrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.